So today we are going to be showing you how to make flavored ice. And we have a new person on our channel today. Hi! This is Ashby.
Hi guys, I'm with BuzzBee today, and we're going to be teaching how to make flavored ice. And I do have it on our YouTube channel, but I'm not going to tell you the name of it.
Okay, so she might change her name. That's why she doesn't want to.
Yeah,
say
and because you guys might be having trouble finding it because there's a lot of that stuff.
Yeah.
It's coming up.
Anyway, so you're gonna want to get a mold for ice, or like any type of mold. So let me get the mold right now. So
Okay,
we've got the mold. It's a pumpkin because we got this around Halloween. So our beverage that we are going to be using is
fruit punch Gatorade.
So first you're going to want to pour this into the mold. And I'll see you when we finally have opened the Gatorade and poured it into the mold and gotten it into the freezer. Anyway, while I'm talking about freezers, you pour it in here, you take it to the freezer, put it in the freezer, and let it sit there for about, 10-15 minutes, depends how cold your freezer is.
Yes. So we're going to turn it to about, negative something.
Okay, that was BB. He's holding our mic. Anyway, I'll see you when we finally got that open and this in the freezer. So guys, we're back here. Here's another bonus thing that has to do with ice.
Yeah.
We got our own slushie maker here, and we're gonna put in the Gatorade you saw from before. In it. I'd stop right there.
And you just squeeze it, and you have to put the slushie maker into the freezer for
want to squeeze it for
a
little bit.
About 6 hours. Six hours?
No.
Just 6.
Or
and then
the slush.
in 1 minute it'll turn into a slushie.
Yeah.
So it depends on how cold it is.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go over the sink and do this.
As you should be able to hear, you should be able to hear the crunching of this right here. So there is some slush in there.
Yeah.
Slushies. We will be eating this at the end. Yeah, at the end of the video. At the end of the video, we will eat it. Or right now, we'll eat it. Or when it's made. Whenever it gets made. That is very, very. That looks exactly like a slushie.
Yeah, it's in there here. There it is.
Look at that. It's literally like a slushie.
Once we get it in slushy form, we're gonna put it in the our freezer, so that way while we're doing our ice video, it's cold.
It's cold and all that stuff.
I think that's good enough.
So BuzzBee's going to go ahead and put it in the fridge.
Yep.
Or the freezer. Freezer. He means the freezer.
She. Anyway, we'll see you back with our ice in like 10 minutes.
Hi, welcome back to the channel of BuzzBee,
But I've got the ice cubes.
And we got them ready, so we are just going to show you what they look like.
Yep, and they're in a pumpkin mold, so here it is.
Yeah, they're shaped as a pumpkin because we got these around fall time.
It's red because it's fruit punch. I'm gonna try one.
Are they good? Are they good?
Yep.
Alright, now I may try one. If they can actually come out for me.
It's a fruit punch.
You spit it out.
I can't hold that in my mouth.
Sorry guys, I must have clicked something to turn the sound off. But all we do is eat the slushie. That's the only thing that really happens. So I'm sorry for that. And yeah.